Tired of starting your day with a sugar crash? Let's fix that. Today, we're supercharging your mornings with 3 easy protein-packed breakfast recipes. These breakfasts will fuel your body, sharpen your mind, and set you up for a day of domination. Smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Let's transform your mornings, one protein-packed breakfast at a time. First up, let's dive into the Greek yogurt parfait, a timeless breakfast classic that's not only simple to make, but also incredibly satisfying and packed with protein to fuel your morning. This parfait is a celebration of flavors and textures, coming together in perfect harmony. Begin with a generous scoop of thick, high-protein Greek yogurt. Aim for at least 15 grams of protein per serving. Greek yogurt is not only creamy and delicious, but it's also a fantastic source of probiotics, which are great for your gut health. Next, add a handful of your favorite nuts. Think almonds, walnuts, or pecans. These add a satisfying crunch, healthy fats, and a boost of extra protein, making your parfait even more filling and nutritious. For an extra layer of nutrition, sprinkle in some chia or flax seeds. These tiny seeds are loaded with fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, which help keep you full and support heart health. Now, top your parfait with a colorful mix of fresh berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, or whatever's in season. Berries add natural sweetness, antioxidants, and a burst of vibrant flavor. For a touch of extra flavor, drizzle a little honey or sprinkle some crunchy granola on top. This adds just the right amount of sweetness and texture, making every bite a delight. The best part about this parfait, it's totally customizable. You can mix and match your favorite ingredients, try different nuts, seeds, or fruits, and make it your own every single time. Want to save time in the morning? Prep your parfaits the night before in jars or containers, so you have a healthy grab-and-go breakfast ready when you wake up. This makes it perfect for meal prepping a week's worth of nutritious breakfasts, ensuring you always have a wholesome option on hand. No more excuses for skipping breakfast or reaching for sugary snacks that leave you feeling sluggish. With these parfaits, healthy choices are easy and delicious. Enjoy your parfait at home, at work, or on the go. With every spoonful, you'll feel satisfied, energized, and ready to take on the day. Start your day with a protein punch and experience the symphony of flavor and nutrition in every bite. Next up, we have the protein-packed omelet, a breakfast staple that stood the test of time for good reason. It's not just a meal, it's a blank canvas for your morning creativity, ready to be customized to your taste and nutritional needs. The beauty of an omelet lies in its versatility. Whether you prefer classic flavors or want to experiment with new combinations, the possibilities are endless. Start by whisking a couple of eggs with a splash of milk or water. This simple step creates a fluffy, tender base that's perfect for holding all your favorite fillings. For an extra boost of protein and a creamy texture, add a generous dollop of cottage cheese to the mix. It melts beautifully and adds a subtle tang. Toss in a handful of fresh spinach. Not only does it add a pop of vibrant green color, but it's also loaded with vitamins and minerals to kickstart your day. Now it's time to get creative with your fillings. Try mushrooms for earthiness, onions for sweetness, or peppers for a little crunch and color. You can even add tomatoes, herbs, or leftover veggies from last night's dinner. Heat a drizzle of olive oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Once it's hot, pour in your egg mixture and let it gently set, swirling the pan for even cooking. Sprinkle your cottage cheese and spinach evenly over the surface, then carefully fold the omelet in half to seal in all that goodness. Let it cook for another minute or two, just until the cheese is melted and the fillings are warmed through, creating a gooey, satisfying center. Gently slide your omelet onto a plate and admire your handiwork. It's a breakfast that looks as good as it tastes. This meal is not only quick and easy to prepare, but it's also packed with high-quality protein to keep you full and energized. Best of all, you can whip it up in under 10 minutes, even on the busiest mornings, making it perfect for anyone with a packed schedule. So fuel up with this protein-packed omelet and step into your day feeling nourished, satisfied, and ready to take on whatever comes your way. If your mornings are a rush and you barely have time to think about breakfast, overnight oats are about to become your new best friend. This is the ultimate no-cook, protein-packed breakfast that's as convenient as it is delicious. With just a few minutes of prep the night before, you'll wake up to a meal that's ready to fuel your day, no cooking required. Begin with rolled oats for the best texture and nutrition. Skip the instant packets, they often contain added sugars and don't hold up as well overnight. Pour in your favorite milk, whether it's creamy dairy, almond, oat, or soy. This is your chance to customize the flavor and creaminess to your liking. For an extra boost, stir in a scoop of your favorite protein powder, whey, plant-based, or whatever suits your dietary needs. Mix everything together thoroughly, seal the jar or container, and pop it in the fridge. Let it sit overnight so the oats can soak up all the flavors and become perfectly creamy. In the morning, your breakfast is ready to go. Enjoy it cold straight from the fridge or warm it up in the microwave if you prefer a cozy start. Get creative with toppings. Add fresh berries, crunchy nuts, chia seeds, or a drizzle of honey for natural sweetness and extra nutrition. The best part, overnight oats are endlessly customizable. Make a few jars at once with different flavors and toppings to keep breakfast exciting all week long. No more skipping breakfast or settling for something unhealthy. Just grab your jar and head out the door, knowing you've got a nutritious meal in hand. Start your day strong, energized, and satisfied with this easy, wholesome meal that fits perfectly into any busy lifestyle. There you have it, 3 protein-packed breakfasts to transform your mornings. Ditch the sugary cereals and fuel your body right. Want more? Grab my exclusive ebook, The Encyclopedia of Power Foods, at a special discount. Link in the description. These recipes are just the beginning. Get creative and make them your own. This knowledge changed my life. Imagine what it could do for you. Click now and take the first step. And don't miss my surprise tip at 4:30 for the fluffiest scrambled eggs ever.